Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needle. This day I am here with a small teeny weeny pattern which is titled as Painter's Palette, and it's just a 3-round pattern, and this can be used for any of our projects and it is used as a embellishment in our projects too. Let us go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 4 and form a ring. And in the ring place 8 single crochets. So let us count. The first chain 1 is not counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and join. Now in the same stitch place a half double crochet. Chain 3, half double crochet in the next single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat. Chain 3, half double in each of the 8 single crochets. So we'll have 8 half doubles separated by 8 into 3 chain spaces. So let us complete. I'll also complete and get back. I've completed the round. Slip stitch to the first HTC and join. Now the next round is a single crochet round. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Three single crochets and a chain 3 space, and 1 single crochet on the HTC. So continue the round. 3 singles in every chain 3 space and 1 single on the half double crochets, and come back, slip stitch, join and fasten off. So I have slip stitched and joined. I made the invisible joint so you cannot see the joint anywhere here in this round. And this is titled as Painter's Palette. It's a small motif, can be used for decorations in the projects, or it can be made, several such pieces can be made and joined together for the freehand crochet patterns. Okay, thank you for viewing this video friends. Hope you like this small teeny weeny motif. I shall be back with yet another small motif in the next video. This August month it's going to be all these small tiny projects because it's full of festivals and people might not have time to do little larger projects. Okay, please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos to friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.